They won't be fighting with the New York teams, because the New York teams and like New Jersey and like all those teams, Philadelphia will be in the same conference. So at least, you know, they're fighting against Detroit, like Ottawa and Toronto, and for some reason the Southern Florida teams, because Montreal brings a lot of people over there during Christmas time.
Okay, so Florida and Tampa Bay.
Exactly. So they won't have to fight against like the Rangers or Philadelphia or the Coast.
What about Dallas? Are they east or are they still west?
The West.
Straight line down south, you know.
But if Washington people in the straight line, or even again, like, Columbus was in the West. Now they're equally.
Oh, that's good.
But like, if you go on the straight line coast, basically the West is from like, again, after Detroit all the way to like the West Coast, you know, so